All right, I'm replacing the Upstream O2 sensor on a 2015 Chevy Sonic 1.8 liter. Just going to show you how to do it real quick. I got this one right here, and I'll put links to everything I used on here. So I ran the code through on my scanner, and it came up as an O2 sensor. I don't know if it's the upstream or the downstream. I'm not crawling under the car, but I can do the upstream. I'm going to replace that first, see if it fixes the problem. I don't know. It could be could be anything. First thing I'm going to do, undo this guy. There we go. Make sure we got the right one. We do. This thing unclips right here. Secondly, I had to buy this thing right here. It is 22 millimeter for this particular car. And it was really difficult to break this thing free. I actually used PB Blaster, and I eventually kind of like tapped on this guy a little bit. I didn't want to break it, but I just tapped on it to try and free it up a little bit. And eventually it worked. So now I'm to the point where I can remove the O2 sensor from the car. So let's do that. Yeah, it got done in there. So there's the old one. There's the new one. I think it's just as simple as just screwing this back in, tightening it up. There's a weird angle in this car. It was hard for me to get it in there. I don't have a torque wrench. I know there's a certain amount of torque you're supposed to put on here. I don't have it, so I'm just going to attempt to tighten it down as much as I can with what I have. Obviously I don't want to over crank it. Really tough to get down in here. I used this thing to help me kind of get in there past these two hoses on this particular model. And I kind of have to lift it up and then set it in there. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's as much as I can get it. I don't want to overdo it. Take this off. Plug it in. You can see this notch lines up right here. This thing slides up under here. I might cable tie this right here, just so you know, but that's it. That's how you do it.